When are you getting married with Zoe? Do you see a future with Zoe? Do you see yourself marrying Joey? Secrets out. Woo! Buntag! It's been a while.
Cute.
Alright. Sige, ang buntag mga besh mga bayot.
Bye.
Sige, karong adlaw, maghimong kami question and answer. Tunggod. Nako mga pangutanan para namo. Gikan sa Instagram.
I know it's blood then.
Yes, this is gonna be very
I haven't
Bisayang
had
din.
a lot of Bisayang in a while.
grabe. Yung goal sa 2020 kay master siya mag-Bisaya pero wala pa siya naka-practice.
But we've been in Australia, to be fair.
Yeah.
I mean, my mum is Bisayang.
So karong adlaw,
Today.
so miyagi na adlaw.
So before, the other day.
Stop.
So you don't have to put
human
subtitles?
No, I'll do subtitles.
Oh, fine.
The other day on Instagram, we asked you guys to ask us a few questions, and today we're gonna read those questions from you guys. So make sure to follow us on Instagram if you want to be part of the next Q&A.
Yeah.
Sige. Pero karon basahon na mo ang mga pangutanan ninyo.
What's pangutana?
Nosebleed
No,
kayo?
what's pangutana?
Question or ask.
Ah.
Sige. So naadiri sa akong cellphone ang mga pangutana, mga questions ninyo karon. So una sa tanan, among miga na si Marjorie, aka Marjorie.
So Marjorie asked, where you feel most alive, Philippines or States? Where do you feel buhi?
Buhi. Bisan sa US or sa Pinas. Kay sa Pinas, murag damgo man ko, murag
What?
damgo ba?
I don't know this one.
Murag dili sa tinuod ba kay paspas ang oras basta magbiyahe, basta magsuroy-suroy. When we're in the Philippines, it's like a dream because it goes by so quick. So ambot kung feeling alive kay murag dili siya alive, murag damgo, charo.
Jar. It's like two parallel universes.
Damgo lagi.
Damgo.
Damgo lagi. Unsay meaning sa damgo?
Dream.
Alright, my friend Adam West from Utah, USA.
He was in Bohol with us too.
Yes, naka-uban siya namo sa Bohol.
With the cute Anna.
Yeah. He said, please tell us how you keep your skin so clean, clear, and under control. So lately I've been getting so many questions on my skin routine.
Literally no one ever.
So Mem Joey's gonna answer that question. 'Cause, yeah.
I do actually get questions about this. I use Kiehl's. I've said that. I've said this before. I'm no longer sponsored. This is like legit now. I use Kiehl's. I have met the requirements of my sponsorship and I still love them. Okay?
Jack73, when are you coming back to Cebu? February 20?
21st actually, we're gonna get there.
I'm gonna fly to 20 DI.
Oh no, it's direct. 20th, yep. My Rottweiler just opened the door.
Oh my gosh. How did you get in here? Hey, buddy. Oh, alright. We're gonna pause this real quick.
Oh!
Nice.
Stay back. Feet, what's your feet? What did she break?
Alright, next question. It's me kake underscore.
What are you reading? Oh, it's me.
It's me cake underscore. Are you happy in the Philippines? Siyempre. Dili ko madayon.
Your hair.
Alright. Are you happy in the Philippines?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes, I'm very happy in the Philippines. Of course I am.
Siyempre, dili kami madayon sa Pinas kung dili na kami happy.
No,
So,
exactly.
sundo lang nako ang happiness. Gerald Dilaro, nganong gwapo kaayo ko ba eh? Kaya syempre, gwapo man kadaan. Kanaway ang Instagram kay gwapo kaayo siya. Para sa mga chicks, diha. Na nagtanaw.
Oh wait, was that Jared? Our friend Jared?
Yeah.
Oh, hey Jared.
Clouder Hey or Clouder Hi.
Quarter.
Clouder. What camera lens are you using for your photos and vlogs? This camera right now, Sony A7 III. My vlogging lens is a 16-35. Imo?
Wow.
Unsa imo?
iPhone 11
iPhone 11.
Pro Max.
Pero wa pa siya ka vlog kay
No. But gonna take some
Ulan.
super pictures for my Insta stories.
Sweet. Ever planning and having a home in the Philippines? By Rate a Musician. Ikaw, may plano?
Ikaw.
Asin pohon.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Pag na kami kwarta, mapalit mig balay. Tugon mi balay. Pohon.
So just view this heaps of times when we get a house.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Ayaw pag skip og ads. Joke na, siguro taas ang ad. Skip na lang.
Just watch it for like 30 seconds.
30 seconds
30
max.
seconds and then you can skip.
Ninja Gummy Bear.
Gummy?
Was it difficult to learn Bisaya and how long did it take to become fluent? I'm a Phil-am trying to learn.
Bruh, it's so hard for me.
Zoe, you're Phil-am. Is it hard?
I'm not Phil-am.
Yeah. Phil-os.
Okay, I'm
Filipino
Phil-am.
na askal.
Yes.
Aspin.
Okay, I can hit you with some science here. If you're good at maths, you're good at learning languages. I am terrible at maths. I mean, this is like a general rule. There's still exceptions to that. Carson is good at maths and he is good at learning languages because it's problem solving. So for me, the only words that I know are ones that I've memorized. But then if it's like outside of the context, I'm like, what? I don't understand. So it's taken me 24 years and counting to get to where I am. This is not because I don't try. I'm just bad at maths. And if you're American, math.
Because you're just bad at math.
Yeah, that's why.
That's the only reason?
That's the only reason. Also, I don't actually speak it often.
Alright, I'll tell you how much.
No, okay.
It's a matter of
You have
practice.
to immerse yourself in it.
Yeah, it's all about immersion and practice because she does not practice speaking Bisaya.
I don't. It makes me nervous.
Yeah, you can't be scared. I'm looking like an idiot.
I know, but I am scared
Yeah, that's what.
because I find it so difficult.
Yeah. So, how long did it take you to become fluent? I don't know at what stage I considered fluent because I was able to speak better than I was able to understand.
Because he's good at math.
But I learned Ilonggo first. I think I was fluent in Ilonggo after like 6+ months. And then Bisaya came quick after that because Bisaya is close to Ilonggo. And that's because every single day for like 8+ hours we're trying to speak to people in areas that maybe they weren't as great at English, where I can express my feelings as well in English. Or Bisaya. That was a hard time.
It was very lonely.
Yeah, I just couldn't speak to anyone besides my companion and myself. So yeah, don't be scared to look like an idiot. You gotta speak to Filipinos every day. And also, I wrote down a lot of words that I didn't understand. Here's my display of words that I wrote down every day and memorized. At least 10 words a day, try to memorize. So there's a tip for y'all.
I know words.
And for Manjoy.
I know words.
Yeah.
Except for damgot.
It's Aina. It's underscore Aina. Can you read that, please?
Ngangon. Guapa o guapo man ang mga Bisaya. Why are Bisaya guapa o guapo?
Yeah. Why? Because of the gravity of the earth.
Because everyone is guapa o guapo. Even you Tagalogs.
What about all the other languages?
Even all of the Philippines. In the world. The world.
Jeez. Guwapo tatanan.
Everyone.
Bisan patikog na ako. Guwapo gyapon. Underscore Mlo Past. Mlo Past. Silly question. How many shirts and shorts do you own since you have to be on the move all the time?
Okay, let's count. You're a blue one, you're a maroon one, you're a green one, you're plain black, Bisayang Hilaw black, Deadways,
Just get my stripe black.
striped black, grey. You have a grey?
Yeah.
Grey. 8 shirts, and then we have, I don't know the shorts really.
So, travel hack, just bring swimsuits because they work as pants and shorts and
For men.
board shorts. Yeah, it's a little more difficult for women.
For women.
But not really, because her clothes fold up this big, and so
Yeah,
she
I
has
have
like 50 shirts, but they're all this big.
Yeah, they're very tiny shirts.
Because you roll them up
Yeah.
like a burrito.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, I have a lot. But don't pack denim.
Don't pack down,
Do
it
not.
takes so much space. Villanueva Jigs. Is it hard to give up your job, if had, and pursue making a living from YouTube? I think it depends depende sa imong sitwasyon, sa imong
Depends on your
kinabuhi.
job.
Depends on your situation in life. Me, I just graduated college and then I went straight to traveling for 5 months. Never really got into a career. And I didn't have a girlfriend, I didn't have a wife, didn't have
Kids.
debt. So I had nothing to lose. So I was able to go drop everything and just I had a lot of savings because I'm kuripodaan since day one, so I've had all these savings, so I knew I could go live in the Philippines for a year and not earn $1 and still be okay. So yeah, it was easy for me, and it worked out. And for you, here's a little different story.
It was a little harder for me. I had nothing to lose except my job and my dogs. Like I had started my career, like I was a year. Oh gosh!
Oh, sorry, that one had to be done. All right.
I was a year into my career, but I was covering someone's maternity leave, so that was like ending. So it was a good like transition period for me, and I didn't intend to like leave forever. It was gonna be 3 months, and then I fell in love. Aww. But really, that's kind of what happened. So here I am, and it's been a year, and I don't regret it. I am still working, just in a different capacity.
She misses her dogs the most.
So much.
That's probably the hardest thing for her.
Yeah.
I'm answering for her.
You are. It's definitely the hardest thing.
Aside from vlogging, do you have any other source of income? By _ _MLopast. Is that?
Yeah, it's Emily passed again.
Dang,
You got
you
good questions.
Good questions. All right. Another shout out. Other sources of income besides vlogging. It all ties into vlogging.
Yeah.
For me, but I invest my money, so I choose not to spend it on dumb materialistic things, and I throw it into stocks. What about you?
No, I get my money from like a lot of places. So modeling, obviously, in the Philippines. I just took on a full-time job for the Asia Collective. It's an online travel magazine. I do marketing for an Australian bridal label. Yeah, just like lots of little bits and pieces. So my income streams are from everywhere, which I think is a good way for it to be when you are traveling. It's not one thing that I'm dependent on.
You know it's mine.
Nice.
Alright, it's _Bryets. How old are you na, Lodi? Ako, 26 na ako, pero mag-27 ako sa April 22. Tiguang na kayo. Huwag akong oyab kay 4. Alright, so we got a lot of these questions, so shout out to all these homies that asked this question. When are you getting married with Zoe? Do you see a future with Zoe? Do you see yourself marrying Joey in the future? When's your kasal? Alright.
You get the gist.
Secret's out.
I don't have a ring.
Psych!
I don't have a ring.
Alright, wa pa kami plano, wa pa kami date yun. Pero syempre, ang couple dili mag-date para magbulag sa ulahi.
Yeah, no one dates to break up. Yeah.
We don't know when we're getting married. Going with the flow, but
It's fine. No, my best friend's getting married in September. Now I'm just like, I want a ring. But really, I'm happy. Everything's fine.
alright, let's move on.
Okay.
Passport _ Loca. Duga na mo ni Ati Zoe.
What? Long time?
Yeah.
No, like with,
No.
Like with me?
Yeah.
Like long time that I've been on this earth, or like?
No. How long have you guys been together?
Okay.
Alright. We've been together, traveling for almost 1 year.
Yeah, in February it'll be 1 year. Oh wait, it's February. Whatever.
Almost 1 year traveling together. We've been dating almost 1 year as well.
Like
More
9,
2 months after that.
9, 10. It'll be 10 months on Feb 20.
Yeah. Save the date. Alright. J.Wolf93. If mag-edit ka og photos, magamit ka og Photoshop or Lightroom Ragid.
Both.
Bless up.
What's up?
So usually, kasi gaaran mo gamit may Photoshop, Lightroom. Pero kung na touch-ups, we use Photoshop. There's like a little smudges. I didn't clean the lens. There's like some random annoying person back there. Just wipe them out. You know, classic Photoshop stuff.
Yeah. Oh, my AFL team. I wanted to answer this one fast.
Trisha.
Screenshot it. Trisha IA. Onsite AFL team ni Zoe. I am an avid Crows supporter, so Adelaide Crows. My dad is from Adelaide, even though I've never even been. Wait, I need to answer this better. Hey Trisha!
Whoa, that was quick.
No, I'm an Adelaide Crows supporter, Trisha.
Name 2 players.
Tex Walker, Rory Sloane. Rory just took captain this year. Yeah.
Nice, okay.
I'm a big Crow supporter.
So that's majority of the questions. Sorry we didn't get to all of you. but we appreciate them. We read all of them, and we'll do another one of these videos sa sunod. So follow sa among Instagram para maka-appeal mo sa among sunod na video. Muna siyang video karon, unta nalingaw mo. That's your cue.
That's my cue? Okay! Salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo. Taran!
Tap.
I'd rather die.
Do we need to add anything? Alright, so if you're not joke. Oh my, I wasn't even recording.
What?